Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Brian in Illinois on the Stryker 447 hpc2. Brian got it ready to go for you. Tune and alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, and electrolytic cap upgrades. We've also got your driver extreme 12-foot piece of coax and some real nice coax that we offer, as well as the carbon fiber static 636 mic. So let's start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. We got set there at 2 watts all the way down. Plenty low enough if you want to run like a 4-pill or 6. 14 all the way up. Average power swing. Hello. 46 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. At 96 peak. Alright, Brian, it's ready to come to you, bud. I really appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.